We're at the shop. We're at the shop. We're at the shop. Graham, we're at the shop.
Yeah, we're at the
We're
shop.
fucking at the shop.
I'm always at the shop.
At the fucking shop. So we're at Break Boo's garage and we're doing a whole bunch of bullshit to this damn car. Alright, so let's show you what I did so far. Alright, so I did all this work right here. I fabbed all this up. Right? I did all this fabrication for this intercooler. I did all this fabrication up here for this downpipe. Like I welded super nasty. Now look at that. Look at that. Oh shit, you get all of that. That's all me. Graham did absolutely nothing. So car worked on. Come to Break Boo's garage. Make sure you ask for Dan and Graham, alright? And we'll help you out. But no, right now.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
So right now we're actually checking some stuff out. So I was trying not to like spend any more money on shit that I don't need. So I need to see if my SR tranny mount worked on the Z32 transmission, and it freaking does. So that's one less thing I have to get.
Yeah, it's gonna move over.
It's good, right?
You know, watch your hand.
Oh shit, my bad.
Slow this down.
So that's what we're doing right now, testing that out. And this is what's this? It's polyurethane, right?
Yeah, but
What happened?
I might have to loosen the mounts and move some stuff around because you have solid mounts.
Okay.
We already kind of clamped them down.
Okay.
But they do move around a little bit.
Okay.
So I think the transmission's kind of actually crooked, so I need to figure out why.
All right. So he's gonna.
Looks like the holes are lining up.
That's all that matters. As long as the holes line
Yeah,
up.
we gotta get some hardware. There's actually little T-bolts that fall down
I
in
go
here,
up top there.
and they get locked against
I
the tray.
had it too. I had them at
There's
the
two
house.
of them, and they got 14 millimeter nuts.
I have them at
It's
the
like a
house.
T-bolt.
I have them at the house. Yeah.
Bring that. That's awesome. The OEM shit is fire.
All right, perfect.
Yeah.
So I have that at the house. I bring those, and then also found out that a SR20 transmission clutch slave cylinder fits on the Z32 as well.
Yeah, so it's like the SR and KA.
Yeah, so it fits. Looks like it fits pretty well. I don't know, Graham. Let me know if you think it's a little crooked. I think it's good overall, but that's one other part I don't have to buy. Like this is literally has less than it has less than 5,000 miles on it, and this has less than I'm gonna say 5,000 miles on it too. So these are two items that I brung over from the other tranny to this, and I have the hardware for this I'm gonna put on here. So that's good. That's great news. As you can see, the ISR motor mount that we're using, and also you see my plumbing for my oil cooler and the oil filter lines go right here. It's gonna come off of this. That's the Tomei part right there. I love that piece. It's just perfect to me. So right now, Graham, he's been messing with the downpipe. He fatted the downpipe. You can see right here,
Yeah,
and he's pretty much put it
finishing the
together.
bottom.
And then this, my exhaust is all beat up. It still works though. You know, the freaking things of being low, but it is what it is. I don't think I have any holes in it.
You guys should all vote that this man get a new exhaust.
I'm not getting a new exhaust. You know what? If you guys think I should get a new exhaust, put in the comments to get a new exhaust. Let's run a poll if I should get a new exhaust. But I don't think I need a new exhaust. I think all we gotta do is weld this thing up a little bit, put a little plate on it, and send it. Right? Right, Graham? Right? What?
I like new shit.
They like new shit. Yeah, I bet you do. Yeah, Graham's wants me to spend freaking money for no reason. I still have to freaking finish paying for everything. Yeah. But this is a HKS exhaust, as you can see. So that's the reason why I don't want to change. I love the way it sounds and everything. It's perfect. It's not too loud, not too raspy. It's like perfect. What else do we have? So what has to happen next, sometime whenever Graham gets to it, subframe has to drop. We're gonna do all new bushings and everything. We're gonna do polyurethane bushings and everything. We're gonna do what's it called? Polyurethane submissions.
Subframe bushing, lower control arms.
Yes.
You have like Rukas and all that?
Rear upper control arms?
Yeah.
Yes. I have rear upper control arms.
You have toe?
I have toe. I have to get traction arms.
So we're going to have to do all the bushings like in a knuckle back there.
Yes, the knuckles have to get updated to polyurethane and all the crap.
I got the wrong thing. I'm wasting my time over
Look at that. Wasting your time.
Yeah. My life.
And so yeah, the whole rear end's gonna get refreshed and probably paint this thing, you know, make it a little nicer. Clean these arms up. And then we also have a J30 dip that's going in that has to be shimmed, and that man right there is gonna do it. This mad scientist. So I'm gonna shim the J30 diff. Huh?
Did you get a shim?
No, where did I get it from?
I have to find the part number. I haven't bought one of those in a long time.
All right, let me know how I get that too.
I don't know.
All right, okay.
I'll find the part number for you.
Gracias, muchacho. So yeah, once I get the shim for those, shim the diff, and that should be good to go.
T-bolts. Don't forget the T-bolts.
T-bolts. I remember T-bolts. Can't come tomorrow. Have to be Friday.
That's fine.
What else? What else? We have to pump the gas tank because I left. It's a habit. I couldn't. It was whatever, you know. So I left 85. Huh?
Every car that takes a couple years to fix.
Always had 85. So 85 in the gas tank. So it has to get pumped, and once that's pumped, what's after that? Oh, I have to get a fuel hanger, new fuel hanger. I'll probably go to Radium because they have a really good part that I was looking at, and I really like it. What else? Radium fuel hanger. I'm gonna redo my lines too, by the way. I mean, so I'm probably gonna redo my lines. I might not redo all of them. I might just redo, depending on how long it is. Let's see. Might just probably try to redo one, but we'll see what happens. But the lines might have to get redone from front to back. Should I go bigger lines, you think, or should I leave the same size?
What size is it?
Thing is, it looks like 6.
You're probably maxing it out. From what I remember on.
Is this 6 and 8? 6 and 8. Yeah, 6 and 8.
You got an 8 feed.
This is a return, right? No, this is feed.
Yeah, it's feed.
Feed, so 8
Let's
feed.
go to the injectors. Yeah, I mean 8's good.
Okay.
You can make good power on 8.
All right, so 8 and 6.
Yeah, I got 8 on my car.
And then the flex fuel sensor right here. Let me get that into focus. Freaking Darren overspray king. He did a good job of the engine bay. Now, actually, my bad. It wasn't even Darren.
I was like, you didn't spray yellow.
My bad, Darren. Sorry for blaming you for this. Somebody else overspray king. Overspray all my fucking engine lines. My freaking this shits.
Yeah, I got 8 on mine.
So today I'm gonna take the calipers off.
You are?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you said you couldn't stay for long, but I guess not.
Huh?
You're buying dinner? Is that what you said?
You want dinner?
Can you take me out?
What do you feel for?
Get some lobster and steak? Bring your wallet.
I gotta take these calipers off. I forgot to take them off. They're just these 2 bolts right here. Yeah, just 2 bolts.
Yeah, take the wheels off.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna take the calipers home. I gotta send them down, repaint them on both sides. Oil pan is done. I mean, it's coming together, man. Also, have to get a new crank pulley.
Yep.
It's the next thing also.
Straps.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
That's supposed to
so
be.
many little details, man. How many things have we talked about in the last couple days?
Fuck.
50.
I'm trying to remember. Was that in a bin?
I don't know. I didn't know. I figured they'd be pink like all the other.
Nah, they're wrinkled black.
I haven't looked too hard for them, but when we were working on.
I think they're in my drawer, in my toolbox.
Yeah,
So I don't think they're there.
You gotta hand me a box of parts.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're in my toolbox drawer.
Here's my car. Put it together.
But let's take a look at how everything's coming along so far. This is not gonna stay blue. This is actually gonna be black. I'm pretty sure I have this at home.
I gotta get that oil cooler.
Oh, this is at home, huh?
I gotta get the oil cooler done.
This is this right here, right? Same thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna make a bracket for the oil cooler, but look at this thing. Hold on. How it's coming together so far. Have a lot to do still. Gotta take all the parts off and get it repowder coated different colors. Gotta take off the engine the exhaust manifold and get that redone. But check it out. Boom. Look at that. It's looking like a car again, kind of, sort
I was
of.
gonna start putting the harness over it, but I remember we wanted to clean the injector, so I gotta take that shit apart again.
Yeah.
So I started to plug in the CAS and go for the quote, and I was like, oh shit.
And he says like $75 per injector.
No.
25.
Yeah, I think it's like 20 or 18.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not that much.
And I also have to get
I want to get one of those machines.
new coil packs.
Yeah.
Which one should I get?
I mean, you got the AEM. They could do the R35, I think.
Do I need that
You
much?
still have an igniter chip on here?
Yeah, I do.
You have stock clips.
Yeah.
That was a dumb question.
How can I get rid of that? Smart car coils?
I think you can fire smart coils with your computer, but since you still have an igniter chip and you don't want to get too into the messing with the wiring,
Yeah.
you can do these CBR coils, which I happen to have a set because nobody wants to use this style ignition.
Okay.
And
How come?
Because everybody goes to like the R35 coil.
Okay.
It's like the best coil on the market and the easiest to get.
Expensive too.
I got the Hitachi ones, which are supposed to be like the factory ones.
Yeah.
I got this for like $78 each. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Well, a couple years ago they were like $150 each, so it was like $600. You know.
Just hurt my nuts saying $75. It's $400 right there.
They make the split fire coil packs that you can plug in. Those will get you some extra, you know, charging power.
Yeah.
But I know these will start giving you problems. Probably. I'm surprised they didn't give you problems before.
Me too.
Yeah,
They actually work pretty well, honestly,
I've heard people running up to 500.
with them. So I was probably at like 5 or so. I assume because I think it had low compression before before I put on a dyno.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really think I did.
From what I remember, your dyno numbers were like similar to what my car was on stock bottom end, and we had the same turbo.
Yeah.
And I was making the same power with a lot, like half the boost almost. You're like in the 20 somethings, right?
Yeah.
25.
GTX 30, 70, 30.
That's what I had in my car.
76.
And I was making like 430 at 15 pounds.
Yeah.
And you were making like 480 at 25 or whatever.
It was like 20. Yeah.
And Trudy was doing a 5+ on 35.
35 on 30 pounds.
28. It was like
530 or 580?
That was on ethanol with Martin. And I think Lee tuned it and even got more at one point. I don't know. They tried to drift the car last weekend and I guess it didn't go well.
It didn't go? How come?
He said the throttle body broke.
On this?
Yeah.
Oh, he had an aftermarket one.
No, I think he had a stock one. He's got like
Stock
a
throttle
plenum, but I guess he said it stuck and went wide up the throttle and he had to shut it off.
Damn.
Yeah.
I'm still contemplating.
Drift car problems.
I'm not gonna get rid of this. I'm keeping this. I'm contemplating upgrading this though.
Yeah, well, if you're gonna do it, you should just, you're gonna go for the electric one.
Electric.
Yeah, it'll clean up a lot of this stuff. You can get rid of this. And all the idle control will be with the throttle body.
But with that, I have to get a different computer because AM can't do that, right? Yeah.
And you gotta put in a G35 or 350Z gas pedal.
See, look, all these extras, man. They also adding up really fast. Right, Graham?
I feel like all the details to get everything going is where a lot of the money goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get your base money in, and then to dress it up and put some toppings on it, like
Yeah.
pizza. The toppings cost money.
Definitely think
Just like the hardware, that's one thing that people don't even see coming.
as far as but how much money people spend on hardware.
And they want nice hardware.
I have to sell this. I'm gonna get a new one. I don't know what I should get.
I like the Turbo Smart stuff.
Turbo Smart. What sounds good? 'Cause this one sounds like ass. Sorry, Forge. It just sounds like ass. I was talking about the super sequential.
Yeah, I got the little stealth one on my car.
Yeah.
I use the tiles a lot, and the precision one's nice. I really like using precision.
Nobody
stuff.
likes getting the HGAS super sequential anymore.
It's like a bird chirping.
It sounds so good on Jay-Z motors, but the motor looks so good, man. You know what? A quick montage of everything that's been done right now. Alright, so I went ahead and did like two little things. I took the brakes off. You can see right there and down over there. Now I went ahead and put on the master cylinder for the brakes. There's supposed to be another piece. Put this inside here. This right here. This is supposed to go over here with it. I'm not sure how. I really didn't want to do this, but was kind of forced to because I can't find the brake master cylinder I want. Let me use both hands for this. Hold on. So I have to figure out how to put this on, and then there's another piece that I have to put on as well. Where's that piece at? Right here. So I guess this mounts right here, I believe, and then this line goes somewhere over here. So I'm gonna try to do that real quick and then probably call it a night. I'm trying to do nothing too crazy, but a lot has been done. Piping is done. I might try to have this clocked a little bit further away from this. So one issue I was having before was once I put my clamps on, they start to rub on my strut tower, which I don't want this time. Couple little parts here and there to get, but it's coming together, man. And I'm really excited to finish it, honestly. Have to get the injectors clean. It's one of the next things, and hopefully we should be firing up, if not this week, then next week. But let me go ahead and put this on real quick, get that all situated, and I'll show you how that looks once it's done. Now here's what it looks like the complete product. This is the product. God damn it! It's the brake bias. Hey, it's the brake bias right here, and these are the lines that goes to it. Just finished tying these down, and these two lines go down, and then one's for this side, I believe, one's for the other side. Can't remember, but I'm able to put more braking pressure to the rear or the front. Always wanted these, but not really. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully they feel good. Graham said they don't feel too bad, right?
Once you get it right, they feel good. Yeah, they really do.
We'll see how it goes. But the video here got a lot done tonight. And just coming together. So what do you think, Graham? About next week, start it up?
Yeah, I was going for this week, but I gotta go to North Carolina this weekend. So,
yeah. So if he wasn't going to North Carolina, probably would have been started up. Let me clean this lens real quick. All right, till next time, guys. Say peace, Graham.
Later.
All right, peace, Graham. Peace, y'all.